Hi guys, I've got Canon Pixma TS5151 right in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect this multifunctional printer to your Android device. I will show you all the methods how to wirelessly connect this printer and how to solve connection problems. So subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. So first of all, make sure your printer is ready to work. I mean, it's plugged in, it's powered up, so you have the LED light lit over here. Next, put up the front panel until it gets fixed like this, and also find the notch in the output paper tray. Put it towards you. Unfold completely and make sure you have a paper in the front cassette or maybe in the rear tray or in both. And now you can continue on your smartphone. What you need to do on your Android device first is install Canon Print application. So open up the Play Store, find Canon Print, install this application and open it. Now agree to the terms and conditions, scroll all the way down. If you want to read, now tap on Agree. On this screen, scroll down and tap on Check All, or also you can decline optional conditions. Tap on OK. Now give the following permissions to the application, otherwise you will not be able to set up the printer. So give the permissions, hit OK, allow access to location and to media on your device. And now on this screen, before tapping search, you need to adjust some settings on your printer. So what you need to do, if the screen is off, press the home button to enable the screen, and now use the navigation arrows to select the Wi-Fi icon on the screen. Press OK. Now go to LAN settings, select wireless LAN. Select wireless LAN setup, and here enable easy wireless connect and press OK. Settings will be made on a computer or smartphone, etc. OK? Yes, OK. Back to the Canon Print application. Now you can tap on search over here and wait for about 30 seconds, maybe longer. Just be patient and wait on this step. In this screen, tap No because your printer is not on this list. When your printer is detected on the next screen, tap the button to connect your printer. So hit Next, Connect to device, tap on Connect. By the way, the same method with minor differences works on iPhones as well. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router, and make sure that the network name is correct over here. So smartphone must be connected to the same network where you wish to connect your printer. So tap on yes here if everything is fine. Now you need to enter your home or office network Wi-Fi password. So let me enter mine. Once the password entered, press OK. And this may take more than 150 seconds, but usually it's much more faster. And now guys, we've encountered the first problem. Printer cannot be found. In this case, you can try to connect the printer to the network manually and then find it in the application. Let me show you the steps. On the printer screen, we see the same message, setup is failed, so select OK using the navigation arrows, press OK. This time select No over here. And let me show you from scratch. So to manually connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network, once again, select the Wi-Fi icon, go to LAN settings, find wireless LAN setup, and this time select manual connect. Now it's searching for wireless router. Select your home Wi-Fi network or office Wi-Fi network, press OK. Now select how many routers you wish to use, just only one or multiple routers, let's say if you have mesh system in your house. So I have few routers, but I wish to use only one. On the next step, you need to check the MAC address or target wireless router by referring to the wireless router manual. So press OK. If you have just only one router, you will see only one MAC address here. So you don't need to check anything, just press OK and continue. But I have two routers. Let's connect to this one. On this step, you need to enter your Wi-Fi password, so press OK and start entering. This button is like Shift to use capital letters. This button in the top left, the bottom left, is for digits and special symbols, and this button is for backspace. So what you need to do now is just enter your Wi-Fi password. So let me do this. Once you're done, find the OK button, select it and press OK on the control panel. OK one more time, and it's connected to the router. Now once you see this message, just press OK, so you can go back to home screen on the printer and continue in the Canon Print application. Now the printer has appeared on our application screen right away. TS5100 series is what you need, but let me show you how to get to this screen from the start. So let's close Canon Print application and open it once again. So let's find it, Canon Print, open the app, and instead of search button, now tap on Add/Switch tab and tap on Register Printer. You will see your printer on this screen. Tap on that. It's acquiring printer information. And now your printer is connected and you're suggested to choose your favorite photo and try it out. But let's close this window so far, and I'm going to show you how to directly connect your phone to your printer without using your home Wi-Fi network. By the way, tap OK on this screen to save the connection information in the application, so that it's gonna be easy to connect next time. So to connect your Android device to this printer directly, you need once again to select the Wi-Fi icon on the printer's display and go to LAN settings, but this time select Wireless Direct. Press OK. First of all, activate this feature. To activate, press OK, switch to on, and OK once again. And wait for a while. And next, when you see this screen, password information is included in the next screen, press OK. And now you can see your printer's network name and use the down arrow to scroll down to the password section. Later you can print out this password, but together with password it prints 3 pages of useless information in this case. So I recommend you just write it down and continue on your Android device. Write it down, press OK. Anytime in wireless direct settings you can change the network name and change password. How to get here? Let's go back to home. Once again, Wi-Fi icon. Press yes in this window, go to LAN settings, select wireless direct, and here is our menu, change password, change SSID, or go to setting list, press yes, and print details. To print details, just press OK. On the smartphone, you need to make your way to Wi-Fi settings, so swipe down from the top, tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon, and connect to your printer's network, this one. So enter the password you've just written down. Scroll down, tap on connect. Now it's connected, but keep in mind that when you connect it to the printer's network directly, you can't browse the internet using Wi-Fi because this is not a router, this is a printer, but you still can use mobile data. So confirm that you wish to connect to this printer, always connect. And now you can just open the Canon Print application and start using your brand new printer. If you tried everything but still haven't succeeded connecting the printer to any network, you can try to reset the printer's network settings. To do this, you need to select the gear icon on the printer's display, select Settings, next go to Device Settings, and now press the up arrow once to select Reset Settings, and select LAN settings only. You don't have to reset the wall printer, so press OK, select yes, and OK once again. Printer will be reset. Then you can try to connect it from scratch. Otherwise, I think you need to contact support. Now let me show you how to use the Canon Print application to print, scan and copy your documents and photos. So first, let's print a document. Tap on Document Print, select Documents. It automatically scans for all the documents you have on your device. So select the one you wish to print out and hit Next over here. Now select the print range, all pages or current page only, or enter page range. Let's print just one page, for example. Hit OK. Now let me walk you through the settings menu. So tap on Change Settings, enter how many copies do you need, one or more. About this checkbox, each time when you load in the paper in your printer, it asks you about the paper type and size. So if you set up everything correctly in the printer itself, you can check this checkbox and you don't need to make adjustments about the paper. But let's continue. Set the paper size, same as original size. Let's say your paper is A4 and your original document is B5. So if you turn off this feature, the system will automatically try to fit B5 to A4, so it will enlarge it. Consider if you need this feature, set the media type, plain paper or maybe photo paper if you print in photos, color modes or monochrome, select this also, and enable two-sided print if you need. Now go back, tap on the back arrow and just tap on print and wait for the printer to do its job. So hit print and just wait for a while. Okay, good job. Now let me show you how to scan your documents. By the way, you can just tap OK on your smartphone and go back, delete the conversion result, confirm. You will not delete your document this way, so just don't panic, just confirm. Let's go back to the application and scan a document now. And to scan the document, first you need to place it to the scanning unit. How to do this? Open the scanning unit lid and place your document facing down and align the top left corner to this arrow pointing on the corner of the scanning surface. Now close the lid and continue in application. Of course, you need to tap on Scan button in the application and first select a folder to save your scan results and allow access to the folder. Let's tap on OK. Let's save to Documents. Use this folder, allow access to the documents, and now change your scanning settings. First of all, data output, JPEG for images, and PDF is better for documents. Original type, document or photo. Color modes, color or grayscale, and original size. It's A4, so let's go back. Now just tap on Scan. Now, if you wish to add multiple pages to your PDF document, just replace the first page with the second page and tap on Scan one more time. You will get the next scan result attached to page 1 and repeat it as many times as you need. To save your document, tap on Exit, and the file is saved to the folder you specified on the previous step. So just tap on OK. Here is your scan result. Now you can exit this menu. Also, from this application, you can control the copy function in your printer. So just tap on copy, adjust your settings. As always, number of copies, paper size, media type. You can zoom in and zoom out, select the copy intensity and print quality, and select black copy or color copy, whatever you need. So just press the button and your copy will appear from the output tray. Well, this application has a lot of functions. You can switch from Home to Functions tab and explore different features by yourself. Also try to print a photo. Pay attention to the Menu tab. You can adjust the application according to your preferences. And one last feature I wish to tell you about in this video is Smartphone Copy. Actually, I don't like the Smartphone Copy feature in this very application because at least on Android devices, it's implemented pretty poor, and you're about to see why. So let's tap on Smartphone Copy. You need to switch to the main camera first. Now let's take a picture of document you wish to scan. Tap on OK. Now we can adjust the document edges. Just tap and drag the edges and corners. So once you're ready, tap on Next. And the first reason why I don't like this feature in this application is that you can't add multiple pages over here. This is nonsense. You can just only rotate the document, apply filter, and tap on Save to save. Select the compression level, tap on Next. And the second reason why I really hate this feature here is that you can't share your scan. You can just only print. So I recommend you another application. And this is Microsoft Lens PDF Scanner. It's a really great, powerful application for smartphone scanning. It can do everything you need. Best of all, it's free and available also for iPhone. So just try it out and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. And guys, that's pretty it for today. I hope this video helped you out. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel to get our videos in recommendations when searching on YouTube. Also support the channel with the like button. And guys, have a nice day. Be awesome. Bye.